Hello, sir. Welcome to Calcutta World News. First of all, Rajasthan. Luxury Rajasthan tradition. It is combined with the level जिसे देखकर आपको लगता है हाँ this is my मेरा. How do you see it compared to your perspective?
I think the perspective remains very much the same. We're very proud. We're very happy. The fact that there are people sometimes who choose to acknowledge this, and some who don't. You like to keep your tradition alive, your values alive, your culture alive, and that gives you a different sense of pride and joy and happiness within which. And when people come in, it different kind of aspires and inspires them. I think that's just fantastic, and we feel a job well done.
So, but when it comes to luxury and travel, you are adding traditional note to that. Such experience only India can give to the world.
Ji.
So, from Rajasthan's perspective, your perspective, how do you do that?
So no, we haven't added tradition to it. We've always been the way, and we've been built that way. That's how we operate. That's how we function. So when people come in, they feel that something has been added, but that's our everyday. We haven't changed that. And as I said, there are certain people who wish to keep that alive and associate with it, and some feel कि अब इसकी इस 21वीं सदी में क्या जरूरत है? Why do we need it anymore? Why is culture necessary? Why is tradition necessary? And each to their own. And everybody has their own thought process. And we are the ones who thought that no, this is something that needs to stay, be it in your clothes, be it in your food, be it in your conversation, be it in your language, and all of that. So, and when you do come there, it kind of takes you by surprise. It imbibes you, and pleasantly so.
So we rightly see that even on Indian cinema, when we talk about tourism or when we talk about culture, आप अपने royals भी देखते हैं. उसको heritage को अलग level पे जाना. How do you feel that?
I think if something that is there, which is bringing in more for tourism, creating awareness, but people need to know today that what is the right thing and what is not. There's a lot of these things are done for commercialization purposes. A lot of them are done for entertainment purposes, but that does not make it real. So there is a difference between a story and there is a difference between a fact. So we need to, and the audiences need to understand the fact and be educated enough to know that fictional or kalpanik jo hai, that's another world altogether, and somebody's reality and truth where people are given their sweat, blood, and life for is something which is completely different. So it's about educating yourself on all of this, coming in and exposing and experiencing this in its full, in its entirety and its fullness, which is what we hope and pray that is the outcome that this question of yours brings.
So if I have to ask 3 points, हम राजस्थान क्यों आए? For the Gen Z people, you talk about staycations and everything. What are those 3 core?
राजस्थान क्यों आए? उदयपुर, उदयपुर और उदयपुर को देखने के लिए.
Thank you so much.